So this is Eddie. We're trying to take a scenic truck view. Eddie looking badass right now. Look at Eddie. Look at this guy right here.
This guy right here.
This guy right here.
This guy.
Dude, this looks badass. Here, let me capture this. Bam. Bam.
So just go straight?
Bam. Go. I'm gonna get it under. Go. Don't go straight. Wait. Wait. Do you want him to go straight? You can go straight, but this sand is pretty soft. Go. 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 Look at this guy. Look at this. This could be an old Ford commercial. Like a very old one. Y'all don't see how high this guy actually is. He's like, you good, you good. We're just introducing Eddie into another lifestyle, man. You look badass, bro.
Watch out, dude. I'm going your way.
Are you?
I'm going your way. You might want to stand over here, though.
No, I got it. Go.
Go straight. Go.
Yeah, you're good. You're clear. You're clear.
Go straight. Faster.
Woo! Woo! Fucking America. Fucking America.
Even Rachel's truck can do it. He's alright.
Yeah. Did you just throw a subliminal in there?
No, I was joking.